Today on MC Tour Ohio, we're going to spend a little time indoors because the weather just isn't for riding right now. We're going to install the rear fender filler kit from Big Bike Parts. The hope is to keep the dust inside the fender instead of on the back of the motorcycle. So we start by cleaning the back of the fender and getting all this dirt and gunk that's built up over the summer. I wash it pretty regularly, but you can see it's still pretty dirty. So just take a nice wet towel, get all the dirt off, and then once that dirt's off, we're going to use a little rubbing alcohol to clean it even more. So the part for this is the Show Chrome Accessories 52-931. And then again, it's the rear filler kit that we're going to be putting on today. So now that we got the heavy debris off, we'll take a little alcohol. We'll wipe on the alcohol to allow the 3M two-sided tape that's on these to adhere to the plastic. The alcohol just gets off any surface dirt and debris. So the next step is to find a little square hole at the top, identify the right and the left, and then that fits over the tab on each side. And then you're going to pull off the two-sided tape at the bottom. Now simply press and it'll adhere to the back of the fender. It's curved so it naturally just fits to the contour of your rear fender. You'll repeat the process on this side. As you notice, I took the tape backing off before I got started, just a little bit easier. And again, press, and that's all there is to it, to the installation on the fender itself.
Okay, so we've got here the two clips go here and here, go here and here. And the two screws go here and here. And then this goes here. Don't forget to plug in your license plate light. And push firmly so that it pops. And then the screw holes are right up under here.
Easiest install ever. Hopefully it keeps the dust off the back of the bike, and can't wait for spring to try it out. So the weather here in Ohio, it's just not ready for riding in December and January. So see you next time on MC Tour Ohio.